Okay, this is a general tapping session to release shame. If you hold specific shame over something, please mention it while tapping, because the more specific you are, the better. So think about something you're ashamed of and let's get into a neutral state. Let's tap to regulate your nervous system, okay? Let's start tapping and let's start on the eyebrow point. I feel ashamed. It's exhausting carrying the shame around. I feel guilty and embarrassed. All this shame is weighing me down. I want to break free from all this shame, all this guilt. So I choose to accept all my feelings. I accept and acknowledge all this shame. And I'm open to releasing all this shame. I let go of my guilt and embarrassment. I choose to release my feelings of shame. Releasing all the weight of shame. I forgive myself for my past. I am worthy of my own forgiveness. Despite all this shame I'm feeling, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I'm worthy of my own love and acceptance. I'm freeing myself from all this shame. Because holding on to this shame is only keeping me stuck. And I refuse to be stuck in the past. I'm giving myself grace during this process. I'm choosing to be compassionate with myself. Compassionate. What has happened has happened. I will no longer punish myself for my past behaviors. I'm human. It's normal to make mistakes. I've learned from them. And now I'm releasing all the remaining shame now. And I'm feeling so calm within my own body. All right, I've tapped so much today. Don't forget to hydrate yourself. This is coffee. Please don't drink coffee when you're tapping. Drink water, okay? But thank you so much for tapping along with me. Let me know how you felt after the session in the comments below. Like I said, if you want to do the session again, make sure that you are specific about your shame. So if you're holding shame over maybe your past behaviors, something specific that you did or said, holding shame around money, please mention what you're shameful about in this tapping. That way you can release the emotions faster. Thank you so much for tapping along with me. As always, you can check out all my tapping bundles at the top of my page. Stop procrastinating your glow up. Just do it today. Change your energy today. Start tapping every single day. And if you have any questions, I don't know if I've said that, but you can ask them in the comments below. Okay? I'm here to help you. I'm here to support you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.